here's the math. It's 372 minus the 200 pages that I need gives me 172. You divide the difference in half, so make sure that you're centering your pattern. So that's going to be 8. So I'm going to start on page 86. Because we always work on the right side, it has to be odd. So I'm going to go ahead and start on page 87. And then I'm going to stop at page 287. So go ahead and put something there so you know when to stop. Paper clip, post-it note, whatever. That tells me where I'm going to stop. And this is where I start. If you notice, this and this should be even if you centered your pattern correctly, because this is going to be my vase right here. The vase is made up of only 2 different folds. It's very, very easy. Fold 1 is you're just going to fold the page in half. Fold 2, just going to use something to weigh my pages down. You can use your phone, whatever you have as a weight. You're going to take the 2 corners, bring them to the middle to form a triangle like so. Make sure you're even. Flatten that. Then you're going to bring this tip right here to where the 2 pages met. And those are the 2 folds you're going to repeat over and over again. So let me show you again. First you start with a half fold. Make sure you're right into that gutter though so that your pages are even. And then you're going to bring the 2 corners to the middle to form a triangle. And I'm going to show you a hack in a second of how to hold your pages down so they're out of your way. So as you can see, they're kind of getting in my way. And then bring that tip down. Now my hack is you take a sock and you fill it with rice and then tie a knot. This works as a perfect weight. That'll like keep everything in place. So that is just an amazing hack. So then I'm going to do my half fold again. And then my 2 quarters to the middle triangle, bring the tip to those 2 meet. And you're just going to keep doing this pattern until you get to where you put that paper clip. So I'm going to keep on doing this. While I do that, this would be a good time for you to like and subscribe to my channel. New videos come out every Sunday, so if you subscribe, you won't miss any of them. They're always related to either book folding or something to do with pages. Book pages, sheet music, magazine pages, always something paper related and usually book folding. So as you can see, this comes together very, very quickly. And then when you decorate it, this is going to be all birthday themed, but if you wanted, you could use silk flowers and make a little vase. You could do anything you would like. So when we come back, I will show you the finished product and how to decorate. So stay. Now the fun part is decorating our little birthday vase. So I have some ribbons. I'm going to use just this hot glue. You can use whatever kind of glue you want. And I'm going to glue that right down so that it, so that it hangs over. And I have a few more to do the same thing. I just think this makes like a really pretty base. Now these ribbons I just got at the dollar store. But you can already see, the decoration right there looks really pretty. Just hanging over the vase as if it was like greenery almost, if you were making. Then I have some candy I'm going to stick in. You could use, you need something to be able to stick into this. You could use wooden dowels, really thin, if you have like some barbecue sticks. I don't happen to have that right now, so I'm actually just going to glue it to a lollipop. which I think is it's a double win. You get both. So I'm just going to take the hot glue, stick my lollipop right there, hold that in, and then stick it right between the pages of your book. And it will just hold by itself. Look how cute is that? And then I'm going to repeat that a few times with a few different types of candy. So same thing, just going to glue my lollipop right there. Hold it for a second. That's kind of on the label, so I'm going to glue the label down as well, just to really hold that into place. But as you can see, it's really, really nicely coming together. I'm going to continue doing that with the candies, and then I have some really nice birthday candles that I'm going to go ahead and put it in the foreground so it says happy birthday. So stay tuned to see the very, very finished product. So here you have it, finished birthday vase filled with candy and lollipops, and of course a gift card inside the envelope. What a great way to celebrate someone's birthday.